What is up, and welcome to another PS5 tutorial. Today I'm going to go through the steps on how to reset your PS5 to factory settings. So from the home screen, we'll scroll up to the corner, left, right, be the right corner. Go to settings, click on that. And from the settings page, we're going to scroll down to system. Okay, so now that we're in the system software section, we're going to scroll over and we're going to go down to the very bottom, reset options. Now the next page, we got clear learning dictionary. That clears all the things that you've typed in. Restore default settings. And this is the restore default settings. Basically what that does is restores everything to the default state. First I gotta enter the passcode here. The default passcode is 000, like the screen says. And here it says the following settings will be restored to the default values. So it looks like just about everything gets restored back to default, except I believe your save data. So if you don't want to completely reset your PS5 back to the factory settings, which pretty much erases everything, you could put everything back to the default settings if you want. That's just another option. But what we want to do is completely reset our console back to factory so we can sell it for some cash. So go ahead and press reset your console. And here it says all users and all data will be deleted. So if you're sure that's what you want, if you want to completely erase everything, then this is what you would do. You would press the reset button. I'm not going to do that because I'm not selling my PS5 just yet, but I'll probably do that later on down the road. I'll be doing the exact same thing here, but not today. Not today. Alright, so that is the video. Hope it was helpful. If it was, please like the video and okay, bye.